Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we have two friends who are eager to improve their English through conversation. Let's meet them.
Hi, I'm Mai from China. I'm a student studying business.
Hello, I'm Juan from Mexico. I'm studying computer science.
Juan, how was your weekend?
It was good, thanks. I went to a local market and tried some new foods. How about you?
My weekend was relaxing. I watched a movie and went shopping. What kind of food did you try?
I tried a dish called tacos. It was delicious. Have you ever tried tacos?
No, I haven't. Juan, can you tell me more about Mexican food?
Of course. In Mexico, we have a variety of dishes like tacos, enchiladas, and guacamole. They are all really tasty. Mai, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and painting. It helps me relax after a busy day. How about you?
I love playing video games and coding. It's a fun way to challenge myself.
That's interesting. I've never tried coding. Juan, do you have any recommendations for beginners?
Absolutely. There are many online resources like Code Academy and Free Code Camp that are beginner friendly. Mai, what are your career goals after graduation?
I plan to work in international business and maybe even start my own company someday. How about you?
I want to become a software developer and work on innovative projects. Maybe even create my own app.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what topics you'd like to see in future conversations. Until next time, keep practicing your English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Absolutely. There are many online resources like Code Academy and Free Code Camp that are beginner-friendly. What are your career goals after graduation?